Did you know that movie scenes like Forrest Gump, Something to Talk About, The Last Song, Lady and the Tramp, the remake from 2019, were filmed in the charming city of Savannah, Georgia? Well, if you didn't know, then you know now. And today I get an opportunity to tour this city. So, this area is not only known for its movie making, it draws lots of attention as people come into the city to see the manicured parks, these horse drawn carriages, the cobblestones on River Street, those are popular, and the antebellum architectures. So, downtown Savannah is extremely lush. It is not the typical concrete jungle that you will see in a downtown area. As you can see, there are tons of trees everywhere around, especially those popular oak trees with the Spanish moss dangling from it. But today I get to explore this amazing city. Oh, look here now. Here is the Savannah bus. So any of these buses that you see with that DOT sign, you can take those buses for free, and we should have done that. Oh my God, we should have done that. Here are the various ways that you can use to tour the city of Savannah. You have the option of touring by boat or by land. There are also several other ways that you can tour. To find that information, you can go on the Savannah's website. Out here now. Here is James Edward Oglethorpe to the Savannah Jewish community, erected by trustee of the Mordecai Sheftall Cemetery Trust. I hope this is not a body buried right here. It is. It is actually original 1733 burial plot allotted by James Edward Oglethorpe to the Savannah Jewish community. Oh. James Oglethorpe is the founder of the Savannah area. But what is so unusual is that it can be easily overlooked if you are not actually reading what you're looking at. You would walk away not realizing that he is buried right there. Here is another example of the burial plot of Tomochichi. So in this scenario, it looks like you're just looking at a normal monument, but if you do not read, you would not realize that you are looking at the burial ground for Tomochichi, who just so happened to be good friends with Oglethorpe. So this is situated in the middle of a park, so you are not expecting to collide with a grave right in the middle of a park. So these are the things that make Savannah so interesting. Oh, that's so good. I am so thrilled right now because of this little thing that I ran into right there. Chippewa Square. Chippewa Square, guys. Forrest Gump was filmed at this particular location. So I actually found it just by walking around. I ran into it. Yes. So let's see if we find the famous bench. So it looks like the bench where he sat is in this exact area right here, Chippewa Square, right somewhere around right here. Yes, but this bench is no longer there. So in place of that, they have these flowers that they planted, perhaps in his memory. Not that he's dead or anything, but something to remember his work by. So this is the actual monument that was actually in that scene where behind where Forrest Gump was sitting. Such a good feeling to be here right now. Such an amazing feeling. So much history to behold in this amazing place.